Hello again. I figured that this would be a better introduction. That this is Pixel. She's my sweetie. Look up, look up, look up. See your beautiful face. Yeah. She is actually a runt. Found out she's about the size of an 8-month-old Pembroke. We went to the dog park the other day and got to compare sizes. There was 4 other corgis there besides her. So there's this little girl. And then let me go get my other baby. Come here, Dot. Dot, up. Come on, Dot, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. See? And this is Dot. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. She obviously loves to give kisses. So, and that's her introduction. She's just a standard wiener dog. Yes. So, there's the introductions of my girls. Bye.